If safety training is on your to-do list, I'm pleased to let you know that EHS safety training at UConn just got easier to register for and complete. I'm Dr. Shauna LeSueur, and I'm proud to introduce HuskySMS, your new safety management system. What is HuskySMS? It's a tailored software solution powered by BioRaft that will save you time and give you confidence in your safety compliance efforts. Beginning fall 2020, HuskySMS replaces multiple current EHS tools to become your one-stop shop for safety training. Yes, including the COVID-19 courses, safety inspections, and IBC registrations. It's quick and easy to use HuskySMS for safety training. All you need to do is log in, select the course you need from the course directory, then register. If you have a UConn NetID, you already have a HuskySMS login. Registration will take one of two forms. For online courses, just click Launch Course, and you'll be taken directly to the online course. When you complete the course, you'll have immediate access to a printable course certificate. No more waiting for access or score reporting. For live courses, either WebEx or in person, click Sign Up to see a list of currently scheduled courses with open seats. Choose the one that best fits your schedule and enroll. If something comes up, not to worry. You can return to HuskySMS to remove yourself from the course roster. There's a lot more functionality in HuskySMS that we'll introduce this week. However, you don't need to have anything in place to register for and complete safety training. If you're a UConn affiliate who doesn't have a NetID, you can complete a support request form to gain access to the system. We'll create a HuskySMS ID to get you the access you need. Stay safe and well, UConn. We'll see you at safety training.